What is cloud computing and why should I move to the cloud? Cloud computing is not a new concept. Company like Google or Microsoft has been using cloud computing to provide software as a service for many years. But what cloud computing is, you can find many definitions about what cloud computing is. But here, let's try to keep things as simple as possible. Well, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services over the internet, which is also commonly named as the cloud. The services include servers, storage databases, networking, software, analytics and intelligence. Cloud computing offers faster innovation, flexible research and economies of scale. But why is cloud computing typically cheaper to use? Cloud computing services are alleviated by using a pay-as-you-go pricing model. The pay-as-you-go model can help you to lower your operating costs, run our infrastructure more efficiently and scale as your business needs change. Basically, cloud computing is a way to rent, compute power and storage from someone else's data center. Instead of maintaining SPUs and starting in your data center, you rent this research for the time that you need. The cloud providers take care of maintaining the underlying infrastructure for you and enables you to quickly solve your business challenges and bring faster solutions to your users. The cloud helps you to move and innovate faster than what's possible with the Primus model on the best. Software releases were scattered in terms of months or even years. But today, with Agile DevOps and many other frameworks, the teams release features in smaller pieces. They are often scattered in days or weeks. In some case, teams even deliver software updates continuously, even with multiple releases within the same day. If you look at all the different ways that you interact with your mobile phone in the devices in your home today, you will see that is very different from what was possible a few years ago. Households' devices are even beginning to act intelligently, being able to send and receive information over the internet. Many other technologies are being powered by the cloud. This is possible because the cloud providers don't demand access to many advanced research. For example, you have on-demand access to a big pool of computing, power storage and network components. You have access to speech recognition and other cognitive services that help you make your application awesome. You also can use analytics services that deliver telemetry data from your software and devices.